So please, Rebecca, what is it in your childhood that set you apart from your siblings? Why you're the way you are?
That's a tough question,
Yeah,
no?
there's something.
Because when I was young, we're all the same. I think the only difference, if I go back, right, the only difference was I used to sell. Like, at
Oh,
that young age, nagtitinda na ako kung
oh,
ano-ano. Like,
okay.
I used to sell pandesal. Pero yung mga kapatid ko naman doon, sumasama naman sa akin. Nagtitinda ako ng isda, ganon. Namumulot ng mga bote.
Whoa, I did not know that.
Yeah,
Okay.
so, I don't know
Whoa.
if that young age you have that drive already of helping.
Okay. All right.
You already have drive of helping your family.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
Uh, you have the drive to make money for
mm-hmm,
survival.
mm-hmm.
So I think that maybe that's a good training to start with. And the second thing is, at that young age, at grade 5 pa lang ako,
Mm-mm.
I already start being a helper to our kapitbahay.
All right.
Yeah, grade 4 pala ako noon, si Apong Kuring ang tawag ko, Lola Kuring.
Oh.
So, naturuan na ako doon ng ang ganda kasi Apong Kuring taught me about, kasi kwan siya, very religious woman, Catholic. So, taught me about being humble, love, respect, mga
Yes,
ganun
yes,
tinuro niya. At the
yes.
same time also, she taught me about working.
All right.
Oo, yung parang ganon niya, na talagang lahat ng sinasabi niya, nag-i-stick sa aking brain. And then, when I was grade 5, I also worked with our mayor. So the wife of the mayor naman, she taught me about running a business, in a sense, running yung grocery nila.
Oh.
Imagine, I'm only grade 5, nagtiwala siya sa akin to run, to make the, alam mo yung mga presyo, yung consignment sa mga nag-deliver ng mga goods. Ako ngayon ang grade 5 pa lang ako noon. Grade 5 is how old? 10? 11?
Yeah, I mean,
And
so,
then,
wow.
alam mo ba, nakakabenta ako noon ng 6,000 pesos sa isang araw? That's a lot of money. Hindi ko alam na ang laki palang pera noon.
Oh.
So, I think yun ang mga training na
Yes,
nakuha
yes,
ko na
yes.
I think, I don't know kung ang tawag doon is, ano bang tinatawag nila? Is it nurture or nature?
Mm.
So, parang nagkaroon ako ng nature na not nurture.